If I wanted to lose up to 20 pounds in just 2 months, this is the exact 4-step plan I would follow. What is going on, guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to give you a super simple 4-step plan to help accelerate fat loss and help you lose up to 20 pounds in just 2 months. I've lost nearly 100 pounds myself and have kept it off. And along the way, I made just about every mistake you can possibly make, which over time allowed me to eventually learn the real keys to successful fat loss. So what I'm going to do in this video is take some of the most basic and simple methods of fat loss, but we're going to ramp them up a little bit to allow us to have this sort of accelerated fat loss phase. And this can maybe also help to yank you out of a plateau. But either way, another important thing to know is that this 4-step system isn't a forever system. This again is just a temporary about 2-month phase. This is just a short-term plan to help ramp up your fat loss progress. So moving right into the first step, which is the deficit. For this phase, you're going to be in a 500 to 700 calorie deficit. This is enough of a deficit to see accelerated fat loss progress without being too extreme. So a 500 to 700 calorie deficit. Now, if you don't know how many calories you need to eat, number one, there's a bunch of free calorie calculators online. But then another simple way to figure it out is to take your body weight and multiply it by anywhere from 14 to 17. If you're more out of shape and more sedentary, then you're going to want to be closer to that 14, maybe 15 number. But if you're much more active, you could be closer to that 17, maybe 16 number. And if you're just not sure, maybe you're somewhere in the middle, just go with 16. So multiply your body weight times this number, and then that's going to give you a decent estimate of where your maintenance calories are going to be. So from there, in order to lose weight, we would subtract that 5 to 700 to be in that deficit. So now that you have your numbers, some other things to focus on to make the deficit a little bit more manageable are things like protein, fiber, and high volume nutrient dense foods. Protein is obviously important for building and repairing muscle tissue, which is crucial when we're losing weight. So you want to get anywhere from at least 0.7 to 0.9 grams of protein per pound of body weight each day. And then fiber will help to make you full, so you can feel more full and satiated on fewer calories. Try to get anywhere from at least 25 up to maybe 40 grams of fiber per day. High fiber foods are foods like berries, oatmeal, avocado, beans, lentils. And again, these foods will help to fill you up while keeping calories low. So once you know your calories, just prioritize protein, fiber, and those high volume nutrient dense foods. Moving on to step number 2 of this system is getting at least 10,000 to 12,000 daily steps. Getting more steps every day is one of the best things that you can do for fat loss. It's very manageable, it helps to boost the metabolism. So although it may seem too easy or too good to be true, yes, simply just walking more every day is incredibly beneficial for fat loss. The average general range you would want to be in is anywhere from at least 6,000 to up to 8,000 daily steps. But again, for this video, we're ramping that up. Being in that 10 to 12,000 daily step range is really going to help to move the needle even further. Moving on to step 3 of this system is that you're going to be lifting at least 4 times per week. Resistance training and lifting weights is also one of the best things that you can do for fat loss. A lot of people don't realize this because they think that they're going to bulk up and gain weight, but that's really not the case. Building muscle is just another thing that helps to boost the metabolism and make fat loss a much easier process. And it improves body composition, so while you're losing fat, you're building muscle at the same time to give you more of that fit, healthier look. Because losing fat without building muscle sort of ends up giving you that like skinny fat look. So resistance training, lifting weights is a crucial part of that. So you're going to be lifting at least 4 times per week. And one of the best splits to follow for this is an upper body, lower body split and hitting that twice per week. You could do them all back to back, upper, lower, or you could have a rest day or 2 in between. But either way, you're going to have at least 4 lifting sessions per week. Lifting slightly heavier in the 5 to maybe 10 rep range, pushing close to failure, and applying progressive overload. And then remember to track your progress. And then moving on to the 4th part of this system is implementing 20 to 40 minutes of zone 2 cardio after your workouts or on your rest days. Zone 2 cardio is that low intensity, steady state cardio where you're breathing a little bit heavy, breaking a little bit of a sweat, but you can still hold a conversation. So it's not super intense, not super demanding. And this form of cardio, again, along with walking and lifting weights, is great for the metabolism. It helps to break down fat instead of carbs for energy, and it's lower impact, so it's much more manageable and sustainable. meal, which is why it can be an incredible tool for fat loss. And here's a hack. One of the best forms of zone 2 cardio, and also a good way to get in more steps, is going on the treadmill, putting it at a decent incline, and then just walking at a steady pace. So that can help to knock out your zone 2 cardio and your steps at the same time. Otherwise, any method of cardio that you prefer will be fine. You just have to make sure you're in that low intensity zone 2. And again, for at least 20 up to 40 minutes. So there it is, guys, my 4-step system for accelerated fat loss. Doing all of these things combined, the deficit along with the daily steps, the lifting, and the zone 2 cardio, is gonna ramp up your fat loss and allow you to lose up to 20 pounds in, again, just 2 months. And if you want one-on-one help with this plan or a fat loss plan in general, you want someone to write your workouts for you, help you with check-ins and accountability, there'll be a link in the description of this video to check out my online coaching program. And with that, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.